Welcome back students in my new musical tutorial. In my last tutorial I taught you to play musical sprites. When we are clicking upon any sprite, so it was playing the sound, musical sound. So this time we are doing little different. We will create the musical loops. It will be a short tutorial and you will enjoy this tutorial also. So without wasting time, I'll start. So first of all, I'll just close this sprite. I want to take a new sprite, so I'll choose the sprite from here and I'll click upon music, and from here this time I want to take keyboard. This sprite I want to take. I'll click upon this, so you will see here the keyboard, and then I'll go to event block, and from event block I'll just select when clicked. So after this time I need a loop, so that my musical notes should be played automatically. So I'll be clicking upon control. In control block I'm using the forever loop, so I'll click upon this. It's here, okay, and then I want to start a sound. If you're not clear what I'm doing, you can just go back to my previous tutorial. The link will be shared at the bottom in description. So I'll click upon sound from here, and then like start sound, I'll click upon this. So before doing anything, I'll just check that how many notes are there, musical notes are there. So if you'll see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 notes are there. So I'll just use this one, and along with this I'll go to operators. This is the operator block. I'll click upon this, and here you will see one command, pick random. What this command does, it will automatically load the musical note automatically. So 8 are there, so I'll click upon, I'll type here 1 to 8. So it will just load any random musical note. So what I'll do here, I'll just drop this command here where it is written a C2 electric piano. I'll just drop it here, and this one, and I'll just drop it forever. Now if I'll play this, very hard sound is coming because I've not given any time interval in between. So I'll go to control, and here you will find wait command. I'll click upon wait command, and then here I'll just type 0.25. It depends upon your choice what do you want to take, but I have taken here 0.25, and then I'll drop it here. Now if I'll play it now, so you could see the music is being played because musical notes are being played automatically by using the forever loop. And when we are starting the sound, it is taking up the musical notes in a random manner. So I hope this one is clear. So along with this, I want to take some other sprite, so I'll choose a sprite from here. Then again music, I'll take suppose Congo. I'll just take Congo here, and just I'll go with the shortcut key. I'll click on keyboard. This keyboard is been selected, keyboard sprite, and now the coding, I'll just copy this coding in drums. And how to copy it, last time also I have told, again I'll tell you. Just I have to point my finger or mouse if I'm using computer, where it is written when clicked, and I'll just drag it and drop it where drum sprite is there, like this, and I'll drop it here. If you'll click upon drums, you will see here it's been copied. So before going ahead, what I have to do, I'll just put out this pick random, this one. Why? Because in drums I have to check how many notes are there, like high Congo, low Congo, muted Congo, tab Congo. So it is 1 2 3 4. So I'll do the changes here. Pick random 1 2 4, because if I'll take 1 2 8, nothing is there. 5 6 7, nothing will be there, nothing will be played. So I'll just again drop it here. So now if I'll play this, you could see here orchestra sound is being played. Let's add some more instrument. Music. This time I can add this guitar. I have simple guitar. Okay. Let's see. I can place it here. And the same way, I'll just click upon keyboard, and this commands I can just copy it into guitar sprite. So I click upon guitar, it's here. Now as I have told earlier, I'll just put this pick random out just to check how many loops are there. So I'll just count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are there. So again I'll do 1 to 8, by default it's okay. So I'll just drop back. Now if I'll play this, so are you enjoying this musical concert which is solely designed by you? So I hope you have understood the coding, how to make your musical band. So I'll stop my tutorial here only. If any confusion is there, always you can give the comment. And if the tutorials you feel are helping you, you can just surf my other tutorials also from the Scratch playlist. So I'm stopping here only. Till then, bye.